So this down here is the constant velocity and negative direction graph of an object traveling at constant velocity. And so basically my equation is velocity equals 2 centimeters per second squared times time minus 66 centimeters per second. So my slope is approximately 2 centimeters per second squared, which means that for every second that passes, the object's velocity would change the velocity of the object will increase by 2 centimeters per second. And so basically my graph should have a acceleration of 0 centimeters per second squared. However, this is not the most accurate graph, but it is a small enough number that's almost 0. And so my y-intercept here is negative 66 centimeters per second, which means that the object has an initial velocity of negative 66 centimeters per second, and because it is a constant velocity graph, the object should stay at approximately 66 centimeters per second throughout the whole motion. And the negative basically tells you that it's moving in a negative direction. And from this graph, I could take the area of it and find my displacement. And so basically I got approximately 250 centimeters. So this is my velocity time graph for an object with a constant velocity traveling in a positive direction. So my equation is velocity equals 2 centimeters per second squared times time plus 58 centimeters per second. So basically the slope means that for every second traveled, the object's velocity will increase by approximately 2 centimeters per second. And this is incorrect because since this is constant velocity, the object should have an acceleration of 0 centimeters per second squared. However, this is not the most accurate calculation, so it is slightly more than 0 centimeters per second squared. And so basically, if you look at the y-intercept, which is 58 centimeters per second, this tells you your initial velocity at 0 seconds. And so at 0 seconds, the object had a velocity of 58 centimeters per second, and throughout this whole motion, the object should maintain approximately 58 centimeters per second because it is constant velocity. And so if you look at the area underneath this graph, I found the displacement, and the displacement is approximately 249 centimeters.